Baby, so go. That I need. Baby, so
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my Gel X nails at home. Everything I'm using is on my Amazon storefront. In the description below, you can order anything listed there. Right now I'm just using the cuticle remover. I'm placing it on all of my cuticles. Once that's on all your cuticles, you're going to want to let it sit for at least 30 seconds. Then now I'm using a cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing and removing all of those cuticles that came loose or need to come off. Once all the cuticles are removed, you're going to want to remove any hangnails or loose skin that you may have around your nails remaining, because you want to make sure your nail beds are super clean and free of any loose skin or hangnails to help the nails last you a long time. Once you are done pushing those cuticles, removing them, and taking off any hangnails you may have, you're going to take your nail primer and dehydrator and you're going to put the dehydrator on first. Then you're going to put that nail primer on to make sure those nails are nice and ready for the Gel X. Then I'm going to take my Gel X nail glue and put one thin layer over each nail and cure it for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to start putting on my Gel X tips. It also helps that you do your dominant hand first. That way, once you do have to put on the nails on your opposite hand, it's a lot easier to be stable and get those nails on straight. Now I'm just going to take my Gel X nails that I use. I like the Gel X ones in the black box, or the ones I'm currently showing. Those ones are the ones on my Amazon. I've really been liking these ones so far. You're going to want to take these nails and measure each finger out. Take your time using these. You're going to want to make sure each nail fits wall to wall, so that way there's no way for the nail to lift or pop off once they are glued on. That's what's going to get your nails to last about 3 to 4 weeks. So take your time measuring out each nail, making sure they all fit wall to wall. Once you are done measuring out those nails, you're going to want to take a nail file. I personally like an electric file. The one I'm using is in my Amazon. It's fairly cheap and it's been working great for me. You're going to want to take that file and file the inside of those nails to make sure they're rough so they have somewhere to stick when you're gluing them on. Also, when you're using an electric file like this one, please make sure that is set to the F side as you are using fake nails. Now, when you're filing your natural nail, you'll have it on the R side so that it files correctly for your real nails. So I'm just going to go through and file the back of each side of the nail. Once you are done filing that nail and your nails have nail dehydrator and nail primer on, you're going to want to start gluing those nails down. As you can see, I'm taking the glue and brushing just where I filed the nails at, where they're rough from the nail file. You're going to do a thin layer of glue there, and then you're going to take the edge of that nail glue brush and slide it at the top of the nail to leave a little bit of a glue puddle, so that when you press that nail down, there's enough glue to keep it sticking. And then you're going to want to stick the nail under the LED lamp and hold it for only 3 to 4 seconds. You don't need to hold it for any longer than that, just to initially get it on. And once you go through and place all of the nails on that hand, You're going to want to stick your hand under a full UV light for about 60 to 90 seconds to make sure the glue is fully cured. That will also ensure that your nails will last you a few weeks or more. I am only showing you what I do with one of my hands, so now I am placing it under the UV light. This light is also in my Amazon. Once those nails are cured with the LED light, you're going to want to take your nail file. You can use a regular one or electric one. Electric works better for me. You're going to take the file and you're going to file down at where the edge of the nail meets the cuticle. This helps the nail blend into your nails more and helps the Gel X to last you a lot longer. And once you go through and file down all of those nails, you're going to get 100% acetone and then a little brush, whatever brush works for you. And I just dip it in acetone. And then you're going to take that brush and brush it along that cuticle line. This melts the Gel X nail into the cuticle and helps the nails last longer, so there's nowhere for that nail to lift. This is the part that really helps my nails to last about 3 to 4 weeks, because if you're not melting it in with acetone and filing the nails start to lift after about a week and a half. So make sure you guys are doing this step. And then once you guys are done doing this, then you would file or reshape. This is what my nails look like before. And then I'm going to paint them really quick and then show you guys the after. Here are my nails after I did a little baby pink with some white polka dots. Here I'm just taking a cuticle oil pen and putting that on the cuticles. This will also help your nails to last a while. And there you go. There's the Gel X at home nail tutorial for you guys. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.